Hello students, I hope you have seen both the videos of trigonometry and your concept about the trigonometric ratios and trigonometric ratios of some standard angles is now clear. Now let me go to the next part of this chapter, that is the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Before starting the chapter, let me just give you the idea, the meaning of the word complementary or rather complementary angles. As you can see here, ABC is a right angle triangle, and in this triangle, angle B is how much? Angle B is 90 degree. As angle B is 90 degree and angle C we have considered theta, then what will be the measure of angle A? In this triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. We know from the angle sum property. Fine. I think still you can recollect whatever you have learned in class 7 and 8. Now, angle A is how much? I don't know. That will be angle A. Angle B is 90 and angle C is theta equals to 180 degree. So from here we got angle A equals to 180 minus 90 minus theta. That means angle A is 90 minus theta. So what you can get from this figure, that this one is 90, this one is theta, this one will be 90 minus theta. That means angle A and angle C, angle A and angle C are complementary. Now, let me draw this one. Here A, B, C. This is theta, this is 90. So this is B, this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular. Since we have considered angle theta, so sin theta, some people have AB by AC. Fine. Now you draw the same triangle. Now we are considering this angle 90 degree minus theta. This one is B, 90 degree, and here C. We are not considering now. So now we have drawn the same triangle twice. Here we have considered the angle theta, and here we have considered the angle 90 minus theta. See? Fine. Now from this triangle you find cos of 90 degree minus theta, because here angle is this, and when you consider angle is this will be your base, this will be your perpendicular, this will be your hypotenuse. Fine. So cos theta, here theta is 90 minus theta we have to consider. So we know curly brown here, base by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. Just see, in case of sin theta, if I consider this angle, whatever we are going to get for sin theta, the same thing we are going to get whenever we consider this angle. So from these two, since these two parts are equal, so I can write sin theta equals to cos of 90 minus theta. Now recollect the full names of the trigonometric ratios that I told first day. I said that sine, cos, tan, these are short names. Actual name is sin theta, S-I-N-E. Then we said cosine. Cosine short form is cos, sine is sine. We are writing only first three alphabets. Now, as you can see sine, here complement of sine. Just see here sine, this is complement of sine. So if this is theta, this will be complement of theta. Clear? Sine, this is complement of sine. Cos is the full form is cosine. So theta, it will be its complement. Fine. So this is how sine and cos can be related by complementary angles. Now if I consider the same triangles and if I try to find tangent theta and cotangent 90 minus theta, let me see what we are getting. Tan theta we know turned permanently black. So in this triangle we have to consider tan theta, since theta here, this is base, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. So tan theta turned permanently black, AB by BC, AB by BC. Whenever we write cot of 90 minus theta, that means we are considering this angle. If this is the angle, this is the base. So for cot, this cot of 90 minus theta, you are going to get B by P. So AB by BC. So since these two are same, we are going to get tan theta is cot of 90 minus theta. That means from this side, whatever is tan theta, from this side we are going to get the same thing whenever we consider cot. Clear? Now if you consider that from this triangle, if you consider sec theta, sec is opposite of cos. So we have written h by b. Cos it was curly brown here, so we have to write in the reverse order. We got AC by BC. And if I take cosec of 90 minus theta from this triangle, cosec is the opposite of sine. Some people have opposite, h by p, you got AC by BC. So since these two are same, so we got sec theta is cosec 90 minus theta. How to remember? Just see sine and cos, tan and cot, sec and cosec, sine, cosine. That means cos, sine and cos are related. Tangent, cotangent. That means tan and cot are related. Cot means this 3, cos means this 3. Secant and cosecant, so sec and cosec related. Just see, so easily you can remember sine, cosine. That means sine and cos are related. If it is sine here, it will be cos. If it is cos here, it will be sine. Similarly, you can remember tangent and cotangent or cot, secant and cosecant or cosec. You are given a question where it is given that you have to find the value of sine of 20 degree and cos of 70 degree. Some of you might be confused after seeing the sum because we have not done 20 degree and 70 degree in our standard angle part. That means sine 20 is not known to us. Cos 70 also not known to us. That means we cannot solve this sum by using that trigonometric table. Here it is 20, here it is 70. Angles are not same, and since angles are not same, any mathematical operation is not possible at this moment. So somehow we have to make these two angles equal. Here it is 20. So I know the formulas that I have shown you, that sine theta is what? Cos 90 minus theta. So sine theta is cos 90 degree minus theta. Here theta is 20. Just remember sine theta equals to what? Equals to cos 90 degree minus theta. So here instead of sine theta, here it is sine 20, it will be cos 90 minus 20. So instead of sine, I have written cos 90 minus 20. And this cos, keep this one as it is. Don't change this one. So it will remain cos of 70 degrees. Now, cos 90 minus 20, I think you know, that is 70. This is also 70. Now same value divided by same value. Now you must be thinking, what is the value of cos 70? Are Baba, no need to remember cos 70. Cos 70, whatever may be the value, this value and this value will be same. So they are going to cancel and you are going to get 1. Another question is given to you like sec square 20 minus cot square 70. And you have to find the value. Here also similarly, sec 20, you don't know the value. Cot 70, that also you don't know the value. So nothing to worry, just see how to proceed. Now sec of 20, I told you whenever this type of sum is there, your first aim is to make the angles equal. Here this is 70, this is 20, so either of them you have to change. Either you change this one or this one, don't change both at the same time. So sec theta, what is the value of sec theta? We know sec theta is cosec 90 minus theta, so sec square theta will be cosec square 90 degree minus 20 degree. Because sec theta is cosec 90 minus theta. If it is sec square, it will be cosec square. So here it is 20. So sec of 20 is cosec 90 minus 20, cosec 90 minus 20. Just because square is there, so I have written square here. And this cot you keep as it is. Don't change. Now 90 minus 20 is 70. So we can write cosec square 70 minus cot square 70. Again, there might be some confusion. How to find the value of cosec square 70? No need to remember cosec square 70. We know one formula is cosec square minus cot square is 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta. What will be the answer? 1. Whatever may be the angle, whether it is 70 or 50 or 80, immaterial, we are going to get 1. Now the question here is tan 20, tan 40 degree, tan 50, tan 70. Now, do you know the value of tan 20? You don't know. Myself also I don't know. So, we will together try to solve this sum. Just see how to do this. First of all, you think about the complementary angles. That means here 20 degrees there. So, what is the complement of 20 degree? Complement of 20 is 70. So, this and this, they are going to make a bond. They will remain together. Once 20 को 70 मिल चुका है, they will be together. सो हमको राही मिल गया, 20 को 70 मिल गया. नाउ ये बेचारा 40 रो रहा है, उसको भी पार्टनर चाहिए. 40 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होगा? 50. So 40 and 50 will club together and you are going to get another group, 10 of 40, 10 of 50. देखो 20 को 70 मिल गया है, 40 को 50 मिल गया है. Both of them are very happy now. Now what they will do, since the angles are not same, you have to make the angles equal. How can you do so? Use the formulas that you have learned in this chapter. Tan 20, we know tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. Good. So tan theta will be cot 90 minus 20. Clear? Instead of 20 we are writing 90 minus 20, and instead of 10 we have written cot. And tan 70 will remain as it is. Don't change both. Change any one. So out of these two, I have changed this one, and this one will remain as it is. Here similarly, tan 40 will be, theta will be cot 90 minus 40 into tan of 50. And one thing you remember, that you are not to change both, you are to change only one. Out of this two I have changed this one, out of this two I have changed first one. Fine. Why this step is necessary? Because we have to make the angles equal. Until and unless they are equal, we cannot do any mathematical operation. Now cot of 90 minus 20 क्या होगा? 70. So you write cot of 70, tan of 70, and from here cot of 90 minus 40, 50. So it will be cot of 50 degree, tan of 50 degree. Now what is the relationship between cot and tan? Just remember, first day in my first video I told you cot and tan, the relationship is cot theta is 1 by tan. So that one I am going to implement here. Cot theta is 1 by tan of 70, and this will be same. You are not going to change this. Out of this two again we are going to change cot to tan. So it will be 1 by tan and tan of 50. Tan 70 and tan 70 being the whatever may be the value, I don't know, but the values will be same. So if you cancel, after cancellation you are going to get 1 here, they will cancel each other, you are going to get 1 here. So ultimately we are left with 1 into 1 into 1. So you are going to get 1. Show you another sum from this section. Suppose the question is ABC are interior angles of a triangle ABC, and you are to show sin B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2. Let ABC be a triangle, and we know angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. That is called angle sum property. Yes. So here I can write, for convenience I am not showing that angle mark. Here A plus B plus C equals to 180 degree. From which property? Yes, angle sum property of a triangle. Fine. Now the question is, ABC are the interior angles of a triangle. You are to show sin B plus C by 2. So we will keep B plus C in one side, and angle A I will transfer in the other side. So I am going to get B plus C equals to 180 degree minus A. Since we require B plus C by 2, I will divide B plus C by 2 equals to 180 degree minus A by 2. If I divide this side by 2, other side also must be divided by 2. Now B plus C by 2, I am going to get 180 by 2 minus A by 2. Till now it is clear. So what I am going to get now, B plus C by 2 equals to 180 by 2, 90. So from here we got 90 degree minus A by 2. Fine. Now since in the question it is given sine of B plus C by 2, so I have to take the sine of both the angles. These are angles, remember. So we have just taken sine of B plus C by 2 equals to sine of 90 degree minus A by 2. Since I have taken sine this side, in the other side also I have to take sine. Don't think that here it is cos, so I will take cos here. Just keep one bracket. Now sine of B plus C by 2 equals to sine 90 minus theta. I told you sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So here you are going to get cos theta. Theta is A by 2, A by 2.